think it's not being overly ambitious from the start. A lot of people, when they add inventory, like, oh yeah, it's gonna be great. We're gonna do our inventory. We're gonna add in all of our landed costs, like shipping and customs. We're gonna add direct labor into it, and just from the get-go, I have never seen anyone get costs correctly from the get-go. It takes months and years to iron out and get smooth. So I would focus just on inventory. Start small, make sure that's accurate for several months in a row, and then think about adding in landed costs and what that would mean and how you would track it both in your accounting system and in your inventory system so it matches up.
Yeah, I agree. So kind of take those baby steps. And again, I keep stepping back and thinking about the big picture and then focus on those details that you can make small changes to make things more accurate. And also have conversations with your accountants of what they think makes sense. That if they're seeing things that are red flags to them or that aren't tying out, that they're concerned about, things like that. Um, I think probably the biggest thing is having great processes around receiving your POs and tying out what you received to what you ordered and what you paid for. Um, and while this isn't, we say automate your inventory, it's not ever going to be like automation means different things to different people. It's not ever going to be something that like, oh, I just push a button and everything happens automatically. You still need people with their eyes on things, paying attention. It's such a frequent thing that vendors will send a bill for stuff that not everything was received or not the price that you agreed on. And so you can have systems in place that check those things, but you need somebody who's kind of responsible for answering to that. And that person isn't your accountant because they're not in your warehouse receiving your products. So you have to have those internal kind of checks and
Yeah,
balances in
we can tell
place.
you if we see a mistake, but we're not going to really be able to tell you how to fix it necessarily or what caused the mistake.